This year, we focus our attention, we focus our reflection, as Pope Francis has directed us, on the virtue of hope. Because this year is our celebration of the Jubilee of Hope. And so we are all pilgrims of hope.
In behalf of the Catholic community of the Minor Basilica and National Shrine of La Virgen Divina Pastora, Three Kings Parish, we would like to express our congratulations and our wish of blessings upon blessings be upon you to the community of Divina Pastora College on your 67th founding anniversary. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa.
Sa araw na ito, ating ipinagdiriwang hindi lamang ang buhay na misyon na ating pinanghahawakan, ang pagiging tunay na mga anak ng Diyos, tagapagdala ng pag-asa at saksi ng kanyang pag-ibig sa ating kapwa. Ang ating tema ngayon na Divinians as Bearers of Hope ay isang paalala sa ating lahat na ang ating pananampalataya, dedikasyon at malasakit ay may kakayahang magbigay ng liwanag sa mundong puno ng pagsubok at pangamba.
67 years of transforming lives for God and society. 67 years of journey of wisdom, faith, and service. At 67 years na naglalakbay, naglilingkod, at kasama ang Diyos sa Katolikong paaralan.